So the eastern barred bandicoot is facing a number of challenges. It's typical of marsupials and other animals in Australia that formerly were very widespread, and now they've had substantial reductions in their range size. So you've had the populations being decimated both by a combination of habitat loss and also predation. We're trying to boost this genetic diversity, collecting individuals from Tasmania, bringing them across to Victoria, and then seeing if they will actually mate. With the help of our donors, what we now have is a good, strong, healthy population of eastern barred bandicoots for the future. So the team at the University of Melbourne has been involved in a lot of different aspects of this project. So it includes looking after the animals, doing the husbandry. We've funded that. And of course the team at the University of Melbourne does all the high-end genetics. So we have a lab here, a genetics lab. It's a critical part of this whole process. It also involves students that are going out and being part of this project, research students. Philanthropy is very important in terms of taking some of those ideas that have been out there for years and really starting to push them to fruition, to applied outcomes. So I'd really like to thank the donors that have made this work possible. That's been critically important for us. As we head towards the next millennium, it's very important for Australians to conserve biodiversity. The Melbourne team has estimated that we actually have a situation where we could contribute to the genetic rescue of 30% of all the endangered marsupials. We've got to do our best to try and protect these species. And this genetic approach that we're using can certainly help to achieve that outcome.